morning student, welcome back to the biology class 11, biology class. Today's discussion, chapter 2, biological classification. Before we discuss anything, we should request you to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for further notification. So today's discussion, biological classification. Today's topic, basis of biological classification. Since time immemorial, people trying to classify the organism, but there was no basis, no criteria of classification. That was simple on the basis of need, that for food, shelter and clothing. Aristotle first tried to classify scientifically. He classified plant kingdom as tree, herb and shrub, and he classified animal kingdom as red-blooded or those who do not have the red blood. From linear time, there is a two type of kingdom: plant kingdom, animal kingdom. This plant kingdom, animal kingdom, till recently was used. This was simple classification of the plant kingdom and animal kingdom. In this kingdom of classification, plant kingdom and animal kingdom, eukaryotic and prokaryotic group together, heterotrophic, autotrophic group together, unicellular, multicellular group together. So with the time need, it found to be inadequate. There, people trying to make the classification on the basis of morphology, cell type, cell structure, cell number, nutrition, reproduction, this. And along with this, they also include phylogenetic relationship to classify the organism. With the time, there is several changes happen on the classification. But plant kingdom and animal kingdom still become the constant in every classification. The recent classification given by Whitaker 1969, he gave the 5 kingdom classification: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. What is the basis of the classification of 5 kingdom classification? The basis of classification of 5 kingdom classification: number 1, cell type, either it is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Number 2, cell number, either unicellular or multicellular. Number 3, cell wall, either it is cellulosic or non-cellulosic, polysaccharide, chitin or etc. different. Then nutrition, autotrophic, heterotrophic. Nutrition also autotrophic, also 2 types: chemosynthetic or photosynthetic. Heterotrophic, saprophytic, parasitic, symbiotic. These way. Reproduction, asexual, sexual. Structure, cellular, tissue level, organ level or organ system level. These are the basis of classification of 5 kingdom classification. Whitaker gave 5 kingdom classification with the consideration of the 2 kingdom in measure. What was the consideration of the 2 kingdom, earlier 2 kingdom in classification? The consideration was, earlier in 2 kingdom classification, bacteria, blue-green algae, fungi, mosses, gymnosperm, angiosperm, all these came in a single kingdom, that is plant kingdom. The basis of that keeping plant kingdom was that the cell wall. Everybody have the cell wall, but they are differ each other widely, though they kept in the same kingdom. Blue-green algae and bacteria, the prokaryotic, kept together with eukaryotic organism. Chlamydomonas unicellular kept with the multicellular Spirogyra in the group algae. Fungi is the heterotrophic, saprophytic. Plant are autotrophic. They group into the same group is the plantae. On the other hand, there is also noticeable point. The cell wall of the fungi is chitin made. On the other hand, plant cell wall is cellulose made. These were the considerations to consider. So, fungi kept in the another kingdom, fungi. All unicellular prokaryotic kept under the same group, Monera. Or unicellular eukaryotic kept under the same group, Protista. Here to mention that Chlamydomonas and Chlorella earlier placed in the algae, they kept in the kingdom Protista along with amoeba and Paramecia. Amoeba and Paramecia do not have the cell wall. So, having the cell wall and not having the cell wall kept together in the same kingdom Protista because of the changing of the basis of the classification. So, these were the consideration of the five kingdom classification given by Whitaker. With the time need, there is so many changes needed. Attempts have been made to make the classification on the basis of phylogenetic relationship. Besides morphological, nutrition, cell type, cell structure or other similarities. You will be wanted to know there is a need of research and finding to make the newer classification, and so many attempts have been made to take in the classification in new pattern with evolutionary relationship. Do you think you are the one to make an attempt to do so? Maybe. Please. So, these were the basis of five kingdom classification. In next video, I will discuss kingdom Monera. Thanks.